My name is Mara, and I'm very happy to be with you this morning. And today I'm on our nature trail. And one of the amazing things about being on our nature trail is that every single day you see something new. So today we're seeing a planting that was made a year ago, just coming up and coming into bloom. And it just always reminds me that when we're outside, we have something to see, something to learn, and something just to make us feel fantastic. But the other beautiful thing about our nature trail is that we have the Annette Breeling Peace Garden. Annette founded our school, and we created this garden in honor of her 20th anniversary. And the goal is to, in nature, find a place and space where we can just take a moment and come back to ourselves, take some time for silence, to listen to the birds, to hear what we hear. Sometimes we might even hear the chimes chiming. And it's just a way to reset and focus on this testimony of peace that is such a deep foundation of our program here at Friends Meeting School. So thank you for joining me today.